Good morning, West Chase Wellness Chiropractor Center. My name is Dr. John Huang, and this patient here is Cedric. He stands a lot, walk a lot. He come in for lower back discomfort because his line of work as a security officer, and we will be entertaining him improving his quality of life by adjusting his spine. So we're going to do a demonstration how this adjuster look like in my office. All right, Cedric, lay face down for me, please. Perfect. Awesome there. Good. When you adjust the mid back, it helps people with like asthma, for example, have the heart breathe easier, and the lung function better because we're affecting the nervous system. When we adjust this back right here. Now we're going to work on his low back that helps with a patient that has, for example, constipation, diarrhea, bloodiness, for women, menstrual trouble, IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, and bladder trouble, and for men like prostate issue too. It will help improve their quality of life. Really helpful when people get regular adjustment. I've been adjusting my own family once a week. My daughters are 9 and 10 now. They get adjustment once a week from me. They do function better. Got great quality of life. My wife gets adjustment once a week too, and I get adjustment once a week myself. I feel that this is something that will help my mobility for the future. I'm a cyclist, I'm a marathon runner, and I do work out too. So I do all that to keep me in shape. I do improve my quality of life through taking some vitamins, for example. I do all that, standard process line that I typically use in my office. There's a couple of things you can do to improve your health. First of all, starting off maybe getting 7-8 hours of sleep at night will help you improve your quality. How about drinking half a body weight in ounces of water every day? That also helps. Okay, and buying organic food, that helps also. And taking organic supplement, that really all helps. Getting chiropractic adjustment also helps. Of course, don't drink, don't smoke, don't do any drugs. Also, to improve your quality of life. Another thing I would encourage people is to hang around positive people. When you hang around good people, you feel better. Same time. The simple thing to do, I didn't mention, exercise. Get some exercise. Cardiovascular work, a little bit of cardio helps circulate the blood and help you overall feel better. When you get adjustment, you get the endorphin feeling at the same time, it feels better. Our goal is to help you get well so you have better mobility the whole time of your life. What do you think about that? We're all gonna get old. We all want that mobility when we get old, and this is part of the journey. Life's a journey. Yeah, remember, your health is your wealth. Without your health, you don't have the mobility issue. So we're gonna improve that, okay? The question you have to ask yourself is, when you get to 70 or 75 years old or older, what kind of mobility do you want? What kind of vitality do you want? If you answer those questions correctly, then you start searching for the things that help you get there. I know I want to have good mobility. I have a patient here that's 80, 90 years old, and part of the journey getting well is chiropractic care. That's what they tell me. It's really wonderful. Breathe in, hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Breathe out. That's wonderful. Good. Good. On your side for me, please. In, breathe out. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, that's good. Awesome. Awesome there. There. Good. Good. On your back face up. Adjust the wrist now. Good. I'll get his thumb and fingers. Awesome. There. Good. Good sound. Good movement. Awesome. Good. 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 Got the toes. Good job. Let me have the toes. Awesome. Good. Knees. Awesome. Put the hip. Just relax. Awesome. This knee here. Put your knees. Keep your knee bent. And just relax, just relax. Awesome there, that's a good one. All right, he's doing well. Awesome there. Awesome there. Good. Awesome there. Awesome there. Okay. Now we're going to use the Y strap on him. Sit with the hip. He's all ready for me. Awesome. Just relax there. Woo! That's awesome. Woo! I felt good right there.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. That was a good one. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful thing, I know. It feels so much better. It really does. Just relax my hand, just relax my neck, just relax. Awesome, there we go. That was a good one. Good one, good one. Good one. Good one. Perfect. Good. Awesome. Now sit up for me. Almost done. Turn that face. Almost done. Make a few more things. So just keep your arms just like that. You're flying and flying. Just keep your arms up. Keep your arms up. Good. Keep your arms up. Good. Awesome. Now put your arm down for a second and pick your shoulder. Good. Awesome. Then. All right, Cedric. Tell the world how you've been. It's been like since you've been coming back to see us.
Oh, it's been beautiful. What made me come is I needed an adjustment for my neck and my lower back and my feet. And since I've been coming back, it's just, the adjustments have been just beautifully, been improving everything. Now I can walk, my lower back is not hurting, and I feel great. I feel great. I'm gonna continue these just for as long as I can. Make this part of my daily routine.
All right, thank you, Cedric. Thank you for. Please like us and subscribe us and share that video with people. We appreciate it. Thank you.